Hello, AVID, and welcome to another week. It's already been 8 weeks. I don't know about you, but I swear I blinked and it went by instantly. So this is conference week. I look forward to seeing some of you guys during our conferences. But because it is conference week, traditionally we would only be having half-day classes, which means you would only be seeing your classes for about half the time. To help emulate that for this week, we're going to have a little less work than usual. We will still have our agenda check, our tutorial, and our note check, but there's only going to be one video to watch for note taking. And then the other thing that I would like you guys to take care of is a survey. The survey is just a check-in, essentially, to see how remote learning has gone for you so far, and it acts as an opportunity for you to give me some feedback about how the class has gone in a more formal way. So I look forward to you guys taking care of the survey. It's a great way to give me some feedback and to give me some of your thoughts if you're not able to come and actually join in for a conference. Good luck watching the video. It's going to be about studying for exams. I'm sure some of you have had some tests so far, but some of you guys may have some more tests coming up, so I hope that's a great resource for you. And then, of course, our note check, tutorial, and agenda. Thank you guys. Good luck. I look forward to seeing you later this week.